Laters! Mount up!
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, this video is going to be a collab video. This collab was started by Todd over at Dad's Incredible. I'll have a link up there somewhere. Definitely look down in the description. Todd is an awesome chef, and he's worked at many restaurants, but he also loves to cook outdoors, and he loves cooking over fire with his Weber grills. I think he has a Weber Smoky Mountain and a Kettle, and then he has the one grill that I don't have that I want, which is a Weber Summit, Charcoal Summit. That thing is beautiful. And he uses it all the time, I think just to piss me off, but hey, that's Todd. Anyway, he started this collab, and it's called Corn Vid. His last video, he did up some corn on the cob, and he put it right down next to the coals, and then he ended up almost what you would call a reverse sear and put it on the coals at the end. Pretty awesome video. I'll have a link to it up there or over there, wherever it shows up. Anyhow, we're doing this how we do corn. So I'm showing you how I do corn. Now, I don't do it this way all the time, but this is just a different way you can do it. And I'm doing it on a kettle. This could work on a gas grill even, but let me show you how I do corn on the cob. Let's go for this ride. Hashtag corn vid. Love it. Okay, here we got our corn, or as they say here in the Pacific Northwest, corn. So this is just corn that I picked up at the local grocery store, and I'm going to grill this up how I do it. So the first thing we need to do is get these husks off them. I'm going to set these aside. Now I'm going to try the Todd method from Dad's Incredible. Take a sharp knife, and I'm going to cut this end off. We'll see if we can just kind of get everything to peel off together here. See if this works. So this is what you would call white corn, I guess. They didn't have any sweet yellow there when I was down there. That's what I prefer, but this will work too. So bear with me as I take the husk off. I'm trying to get it all together here. Now, pull it like that. I got a little bit of hair. Get that cleaned up. How am I going to cheat? So I got foil here. Foil. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some... I can't believe it's not real butter. We're going to just put that down in here like so. All right. And take our corn, and we're just going to roll it on to that butter. Kind of get it all over it. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to do is just take some salt, sprinkle it on here. Like so. Just something like that, and then we're going to roll them up. Boom. We're going to make a corn on the cob burrito like this. Alright, so I'm going to get the other ones done, and then we'll go out to the grill. We're going to use some lump charcoal for this. Got a little bit left over from the last cook. So we'll get this all in there and get the grill up to temp for this delicious grilled corn on the cob. Hashtag corn vid. Hashtag Dad's Incredible collab. Corn Lab, I think is what he put. Dad's Incredible Corn Lab. Corn. Oh yeah. We'll get those spread out. Get our grate on there and let it come up to temp. Time is it? It's corn time. Corn vid. So what I like to do is I like to just set them around it. Like so. Starting out. And then we'll come out and we'll rotate them and do all that good stuff. So that's the way I like to do my corn. Put the lid back on there and let them go for a while. I just love to have this limited edition red kettle. How red it gets when it heats up. That's impressive. Let's go around. Let's see. Got the temp gauge back here. Boom. Let's see how that corn's doing. Okay, this corn should be done. Let's get it off the grill. Ooh-wee. Gonna have to let it cool down for a minute, and we'll get into it. All right, here's our entry into the hashtag corn vid, grilled corn on the cob. So I've had this off for maybe 10 minutes off the grill. Let's just have a look and see what happened to it. Still hot in there. Gotta be careful. There's our corn bed. Oh yeah. Let's try a bite of it. Ooh, still hot. Oh yeah. Look at that bite. Perfect. Woo, that's hot right there. Oh yeah. Summertime and corn. Corn vid. If you're at home, perfect. Gotta have a good chomper, so. So, anyhow, you saw how I did that, where I dehusked the corn, and then I took the parquet and kind of spread that on the foil, and then I rolled the corn in it, put some salt on it, then I wrapped it up in the foil, and then I got the old Weber kettle going, got it nice and hot, and put the corn on there, and then just, I would say it was about a half hour. About every 5 minutes I was rotating it, moving it around, so one side just didn't get burned. And let me tell you, this is delicious. You don't even have to come back with any more butter. You might want to add some, pepper if you like pepper. The salt, you can taste that on it, and yeah, this would be a hit. Oh yeah. Yeah, love corn. Corn just about goes with anything, barbecue wise. I love it. So anyhow, like I said, this was a collab video that was started by Dad's Incredible, Todd. Go check out his channel. He is a fine cook, not just out on the grills. Like I said, he does it in the kitchen. He does it everywhere, and he'll even teach you a few things. He's taught me quite a bit. He started this collab, and it's called Corn Vid. So hashtag Corn Vid. If you look for that, it'll show everybody's recipes on how they do corn on the cob, or however they just grill corn. I don't know. Someone might even put it in a pan. I don't know. We'll find out. So, thanks, Todd. This was fun. I really like the way you do your corn. I'm going to have to try that here soon. And like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching. Till next time, my friends. Grill on.